Hi guys, I am back with another mani. So I have a package from MEFA. So thank you to MEFA for sending me this gel polish kit. It's a 32 color kit and it comes with a UV LED lamp. And so let's get into this box. And it's a big box. It is a pretty big box. So on the back of the box, it shows you or tells you all of the items included. 32 7ml bottles, base coat, top coat, matte top coat. It comes with nail file, a nail buffer, nail clippers, a nail brush, a cuticle pusher. It just comes with everything you need to do a complete mani. And so with the lamp, I was a little skeptical because I was like, what's the wattage on this lamp? Y'all, it's a 48 watt lamp, so it has enough power to cure your gel polish. Again, this kit has everything you need to complete a gel polish mani at home. It does plug in. It has a 30-second timer, 60 and a 90-second timer on the lamp. It also came with all of these gel polishes. Again, these are 7ml bottles. It comes with the base, top coat, and matte top coat, and all of these beautiful colors. And so if I am a DIYer, I want to do my gel polish mani at home, this is a good kit to start with. And so you have a nail brush, two of them, one stiffer, one soft, and then it comes with two cuticle oil pens. One is unscented and one smells like roses. A cuticle pusher, the little nail swatch wheel to swatch your polishes, an actual nail file, and a nail buffer. It comes with the little cuticle cleanup tool. I personally don't use those. Nail file, a rhinestone wheel with assorted colors, and it also comes with the little toe separators in case you want to paint your toenails with gel polish, nail art tweezers, and some sequins and nail foil. And so this is the kit from Amazon. It's 56 pieces total in this kit. So your polishes plus all of the accessories, and it normally retails for about roughly $50. MEFA is currently having a sale for Black Friday where you can purchase the kit. Right now it says $29.99, but they're having a Black Friday sale up to 70% off that will run between November the 20th and November the 27th. And so here are the colors swatched on the swatch wheel. My favorite one was the glitter and the little pale rose, but I thought that little not that little, but that pale kind of green color was really pretty. And so again, I just swatched them according to how they were in the container. So guys, let's get into this mani. So I have my mani glove on. I have a 1 coat of Holo Taco Pilly base on top of my builder gel, and so I'm going to apply a thin layer of gel base, cure for 60 seconds in using the MEFA lamp. I was going to use all three colors. I had an idea in my head, but I only end up using the kind of pink glitter that had, looks like rose gold glitter in there, along with some silver. It was a really pretty glitter. So when you first paint it on, you know, you don't get as many pieces. Plus I have like a nude builder gel on my nails. And so I decided not to use that tan color because my nails are kind of already that color, just not as dark. And so on my middle finger, I paint the glitter color. And then on my index finger, I only paint part of the nail because I kind of wanted a slant with the glitter on the nail. I kind of jacked my cuticles up a little bit, and you see me kind of going off diagonal on the nail. You can clean that line up with a nail brush and alcohol just to make it crisper. And then for the part that I did not paint, I'm going to use that glitter color and paint the rest of the nail. Trying to get that glitter on the nail. It's a little bit of too much gel polish, so I'm going in with a smaller liner brush to move that gel polish around on the nail just to kind of make it even. And I'm not too worried about getting a sharp line because I am going to end up covering that line up because I wanted to use the items in the kit. And I don't know if I mentioned that MEFA is sold on Amazon. I think I mentioned that, but I don't remember. And so once I get that cured, I am putting some polish on my little blue palette, and I'm going to do a French on my thumbnail. And so I do that with the pink cure, and then I'm going to go in with the glitter and go below that line. And I'm sorry, my daughter was fouling the dip powder off her nails and she was shaking my doggone table. So after I get all nails cured, I'm going in and applying a second coat, repeating that process. Now this was my first time kind of doing this type of design, and I was like, this thing is tedious, but I am using a liner brush is your friend. They are your friends, just to kind of help you with the nail. Also, it allowed me, so I ended up putting too much polish on the part with that pretty pink color. And so I was able to also use that liner brush to remove excess polish from the nail. And y'all, my daughter was still shaking my doggone table, and I didn't realize it until like later on. I was like, man, you keep bumping my table. But anyway, and so I'm just using a nail brush and alcohol, cleaning that line up again, and then I'm going to go in and apply the glitter. And so once I get all nails done, again, I'm gonna use that glitter and a liner brush and line the bottom of that smile line on my thumbnail. I'm going to cure for 60 seconds in the MEFA UV LED lamp. So y'all, I cut some footage out. I tried to use the nail foil that came in there and it didn't work out good. So what I determined that worked best, I applied a layer of base coat to my nail because I did my index finger off camera. And I also outlined the middle finger in those gold foil flakes that was in the kit. So I applied the gel base, and I'm using that nail brush, picking up the foil flakes and placing that directly on the nail, because I had them foil flakes got everywhere. You see the mess on the table, because I was like, what the heck, how do I get this to stick to the nail? So I did apply gel base, as I mentioned. I'm using the nail brush, and I'm just placing that foil exactly where I want it to be on the nail. once I do that, I'm going to cure, because I do have base coat on the nail. I'm going to cure for 60 seconds, and then I'm going to go in and apply MEFA's gel top coat and cure for 60 seconds as well. So here are my nails finished. I did go in with an alcohol wipe to wipe off my nails. I couldn't remember if that gel top coat was no wipe or not. And so I'm just wiping my nails off with alcohol. I then go in with the unscented cuticle oil that came in the kit and apply that to my nails. If you like rose scent, then the pink one would work for you. I prefer the unscented cuticle oil. And so guys, please like this video if you found value. Hit that thumbs up. Leave a comment, let me know what you think, and subscribe to my channel. It is free 99. So thank you to MEFA for sending me this kit. Guys, check them out on Black Friday or before. Remember that sale runs November the 20th through the 27th on the Amazon shop. Their products are affordable, and as you can see with this kit, you have everything you need. So I hope you guys have a wonderful week, and I'll see you next time. Thank you so much for watching.